Karag, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. So, nandito na naman ako sa bahay ng pinsan ko mga karag-karag kasi hindi pa tapos yung kasiyahan doon sa malapit sa bahay ko kasi may mga celebration doon. Grabe yung mga videokihan, kantahan, kaya tumakbo na naman ako dito para makipagtsikahan sa inyo sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Paghilom sa kudkurdapya. Nawala na po ko niya na. So yung pinsan ko sabi ko pangit daw yung background ko, go ahead na yan. So eto na nga mga karag-karag, wala muna tayo menopausal fashion distraction look dahil itodo ko na talaga to at ihabol ko talaga tong chismisan ngayon na pinagchichikahan ng mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media na kung saan usap-usapan ang latest interview ni Bila Ismael mga karag-karag. Grabe, sabi talaga nila humatak talaga daw ng karunungan ng cell membrane si Bila Ismael mga karag-karag sa kanyang laban sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Delikado daw ang maging lagay ni bitaw nila Union at sa kanyang Pampanga kung sakaling umarangkada si Bila Ismael sa kanyang bitaw dating sa kanyang aura sa darating na final sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Ewan ko sa inyo mga karag-karag kung ano yung magiging reaction ninyo, pero watch this.
Be marked as a girl with attitude. Or I think in 2020, one of my mistakes, not that it was bad, but my mistake in a sense where I feel like I kind of lost my voice because I thought I didn't have the right to speak up. You know, I thought I couldn't say if I didn't like something. I thought I would be marked as a girl with attitude or whatever, and I didn't want that, you know. But over the years, I realized that, especially as women, it's so important that we speak our truths. Everything down to something as simple as your top. If you don't like it, if you don't feel like you look your best, you have to say something. Because in the end, you're gonna regret it. And I feel like, especially here in Miss Universe Philippines, when you don't feel like you look your best, you won't perform your best. That's at least my opinion, you know?
Are you willing to lose yourself or lose your dream?
Honestly, if my dream requires me to lose my sense of self, then it's not the right dream. I feel that everything that I do, the end goal is it's like my personality or who Bella is a puzzle. And every time I do something, that's a new puzzle piece added. So if my dream requires me to wreck that puzzle, then I feel like it's not the right dream. It's not the dream that's meant for me. And I feel like dreams are basically the universe's way of putting something that's meant for you into your head. And I feel that there's a reason for that. You know? But sometimes dreams don't turn out how you expect them. Sometimes you think it's one thing, pero hindi pala. And that's okay. I think that's how we need to let go of that tight clench on our dreams and maybe just while we look at it, enjoy every step. Because sometimes, like, while you think that you're taking the steps toward that dream, yun pala, it's taking you where you're meant to be.
Oh, that's deep.
Diba? Like, if you hold on so tight, kahit you're meant to go to this path, parang you're disrupting what's meant for you. You're disrupting the path of it leading to you. You know? So it's a different kind of acceptance in a way na parang, okay, that is my dream, but we take it one step at a time.
Para mga karag-karag, narinig na ninyo ang sagot ni Bila Ismael. So, alam nyo naman na 50-50 below the ground lang yung cell membrane ng karunungan ko pagdating sa Englishan. So, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung comment section. Sabi nga ng mga ibang matatalino na nakapanood ng interview ni Bila Ismael, ito daw yung magdadala or mag-aangat sa maging placement ni Bila sa darating na laban sa MUPH 2026. Wag lang daw papasukin si Bila sa top 5 dahil tiyak magiging delikado daw ang laban ni La Union at saka ni Pampanga. Kung matandaan natin na naging first runner-up si Bila Ismael sa kanyang laban noon sa kay Rabia Mateo, di ba? So sa kanyang pagbabalik sa taon na to, baka ito na daw yung sign na paboran siya ni Mama J na maging representante ng Pilipinas sa darating na Miss Universe 2026 sa Puerto Rico. Para naman sa akin mga karag-karag, magiging reaction ko, andun na yung maganda si Bia, kakaiba yung din niya, pa-eksena na ginawa niya sa kanyang journey sa taon na to. sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Nagustuhan ko yung pa-swimsuit na pa-photoshoot nila dahil in-apply niya talaga yung pagiging balerina niya. At sa kanyang naging din laban sa Aqua Boracay na kung saan yung pa-end na bitaw niya, pasarila na binigyan niya ng kakaibang twist. Nako, at of course, very regal at very queenly, napaka-alta ni Bila Ismael. So, para sa akin, hindi naman imposible na masungkit niya Miss Universe Philippines 2026, pero mahihirapan din siya sa taon na to. Kasi ang lakas talaga ni La Union. Pero yun nga, depende pa rin sa tadhana ng mga kandidata kung sa kanila ba naka-align yung star ng Miss Universe. So abang na lang tayo mga karag-karag base sa kanyang pinakitang communication skills. Pasa ko dyan, ayaw ko magbigay ng komento, naiintindihan ko pero hindi ko kayang mag-explain sa inyo. Mag-ingay tayo sa comment section kung ano yung magiging reaction nyo. Comment down below. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe Kuragan Karag. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest kaganapan at late na intriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!